What's up guys, it's Justin the GCDoc here with Wifey. She's going to find it without me even telling her where it's at. We'll see. Where? You found it already? How could you find it? Oh my gosh!
I command you to buy me diamonds.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are at our last cache for the day. This is a pretty cool one. High favorited point, 154 favorite points. Maybe 155, we'll see. Looking upon the destination, Wifey, what do you think? You're a little nervous?
I'm afraid of drowning. Can we take a boat there?
Well, yes. Theoretically, we could take a boat, but that would mean we'd have to have a boat to take. We only have 3/10 of a mile to go. What do you think?
I don't want to do it anymore. It's too hard.
All right. It's so I'm gonna shut the camera off because it's hard to walk and film or jump at the same time. So this is where we're headed. On the other side.
There's no way.
Well, I made it. But I wasn't sure if Wifey was going to be able to follow. She's the smarter one and decided to stay down. And I'm going to go grab this cache real quick. Crap. I think it's in the middle of that bush. Well, wish me luck. This is probably the dumbest thing I've ever done right now. We shall see. Well, I've made it to ground zero. Now I gotta find this cache before the seagulls kill me. Well, there it is. Success! Alright guys, I'm gonna get the sign and get out of here. These seagulls are super annoying. Definitely a favorite point though, for sure. Alright guys, we made it back to our hotel. We survived.
Barely.
That last cache was pretty crazy, but we did survive. The seagulls did not eat me. You also
the geese almost ate me.
You also missed the geese though too, so everything was nesting. Probably not the best time to be out there. So anyways, go out there guys. If this is the first time watching one of my videos, go out and check out all my other ones, and then hit that subscribe and like button. That way you stay updated when I release these videos. Just stay tuned. We're gonna have some more fun adventures tomorrow.
No, we're not.
Okay. Alright guys, go out there and find some caches. Stay safe.